Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today is learning UI/UX design. And today is the topics as a usability study in best practice. As a usability study in best practice are as a guidance, and that is help a researcher is obtained as a accurate and as a useful feedback from the users. And first is define the clear objectives as decide what you want to as a learn before the testings and is a focus on at the specific goals such as the navigation loggings and the checkout processes and example as a determine whether says users can as a successfully create the account within 3 minutes. Second is a recruit a right participant as a select the participant who is represent the actual target users and include the users with as different experience levels than as a approximate and example as for the student is student as a recruit a student and rather than a random participant. And third is create a realistic task as give the user tasks that as the reflect the real world activities and keep the instructions is simple and as unbiased. And good task is find and purchase a blue shorts and the poor task is use a search bar to find a blue task. And fourth is the task areas and often as a conduct the usability testing is throughout the development process and the test is prototypes is before the final product is released and the benefit is the problems can be the fixed before they has become the costly. And fifth is encourage the things allowed methods as ask the participant to explain his thoughts while as completing the task and help a researcher is understand the users as the decisions and as a frustrations. Example as I am not sure where to click the next. Six is observe without interfering as allow the user to work as independently and avoid giving the hints and unless unnecessaries as a reason as interfacing can is affect the accuracy of a result. And seventh is use the comfortable environment as ensure the participant is feel relax and as a free to provide a honest feedback and minimize the distractions during the testings. 8 is collect the both as a quantitative and quantitative data. Quantitative data is options and the comments and as observations, and the quantitative data is the task completeness rate and the time taken and the numbers of errors. Using the both the types is provide to complete the understanding of a usability as provide. Ninth is record and the documentation handling and the take the notes or as a record sessions and with as a permissions and the document issues and the user comments and the recommendations. And 10th is priorities to identify the problems is not all the usability issues have a same impact, but as a fix the critical problems is fast. And the priorities levels is a high is a prevent the task is completeness, and the medium is a case the confuse or as a delay. And now sorry as a low is a minor in conversations. 11th is analyze the result and the objectively as base the conclusions on as awareness rather than as assumptions, and the look for the patterns across the multiple users. And 12th is iterate and there's a retest as make the improvement based on the findings, and conduct the additional testing for as to verify the fix. And the cycle is test, analyze, improve, and the retest. Thank you to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.